Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Stripe Capital for business funding readiness, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of authorizing Stripe Capital for business funding, you must log into your Stripe account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Stripe website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard prominently displayed on your screen. Look for the Capital option in the left-hand menu. Click on Capital to access the funding section. Here, you will see an overview of your eligibility for funding. Review the information provided to understand your business's potential for Stripe Capital. If you are eligible, click on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, you will need to provide additional information about your business. Fill out any required fields, ensuring your information is accurate and up to date. Once you've entered your business details, click on Continue. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the instructions to submit any necessary identification documents. Be prepared to provide financial information to assess your business revenue. Stripe may ask for access to your transaction history to make informed decisions. Ensure you agree to the terms and conditions outlined in the agreement. After you have completed all steps, submit your application for review. You will receive a confirmation that your application has been submitted. Stripe will evaluate your request and inform you of their decision via email. If approved, follow the instructions provided to finalize your funding agreement. Once you've completed the process, you can start using your funding as needed. Regularly monitor your Stripe dashboard for updates on your funding status. Stay informed about your repayment schedule and any other related obligations. By completing these steps, you will successfully authorize Stripe Capital for your business funding needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.